Ya tú sabes, that is spaz. Ya tú sabes, that I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was popping. For no one who been in since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae Dolores. Ella quiere.
Alright, what it do, guys? This is your boy Tranqui Kiddo 7 back with another video. How y'all doing out there, guys? For my new subscribers, was popping. And for no one that always been there since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all for real, for real. Alright, so how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody keep praying, man. Have that faith. Don't stop, man. Keep going, man. Stay motivated, man. Stay positive, man. And just keep going, guys. Don't give up, guys. You're almost there, man. Y'all almost there, man. Don't give up, man. Don't ever give up, guys. So I just want to, and keep your head up. Keep your head up. Alright, so in this video right now, we're gonna be unboxing some parts that I have ordered online. And let's get it. We got them here. Alright, so first thing we got some sissy bars. Feel me? Some nice sissy bars. Okay. Next thing we have, oh man. You can see, man. I wish I could save some of this tape right here. Which I think it is. Which I think it is. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Some steering wheels. Nice ass steering wheels. We got a chrome one. We got the gold and chrome. And we got a gold sissy bar. Look at this. Like a bag of weed. Nah, like a bag of chips. I'm just playing with y'all. Look at that. We're gonna be stunting this year. We're gonna be stunting this year. Look at that. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. What's up? Look at this, guys. Damn, this is beautiful. Some nice ones right here. So this is the end of the video. So this is just for some projects that I got going on right now, guys. It's for a client and a friend. Like I always say, guys, keep building, keep riding, keep living. Never give up, man. Do what y'all love to do, man. And stay up, man. Stay motivated and stay positive, guys. God bless. To my next video, guys. Peace. What's up, my people? So we're getting ready right now for the event in Reading, PA right now. Chilling. We got the vendors right now. We got the Lowrider bikes, but we're gonna put them over there later on. So yeah, we chilling right now. So starts in a few.